Today I will show you how you can actually replace the battery inside of the lights of a Scoot and Ride helmet. This one has just been replaced and you can see it's working correctly. However, this one, after some time, it's empty. And you can see it's not broken, it's just a battery which needs replacement. So in order to replace it, you cannot just twist it or like this. What you need to do in order to open it and replace the battery, it's to first remove the small black parts, and this actually will reveal a small screw. You will need a screwdriver, actually quite a small one, something like this, in order to open it, because it's quite a small screw. The screw is actually a bit long. Ensure you keep it safely on the sides. Once you've removed this, you can actually just pull the light out of the helmet, the sides. This is the light itself. And here you will see 3 screws, and again, I will open it one by one. Again, ensure that you keep the screw aside so you can reuse it later to close it, but also for safety reasons. And once you've opened these 3 screws, you can just quite easily open the back side of the light. And you cannot remove the battery like this, but you should actually flip the light, and this will come out. This is actually the light itself. It has the LEDs, which you can see. This is the button that you can push. And so on the other side, you will see the battery. The battery is actually a very popular one. You can find it as well typically in most car keys, for example, or other lights. Is a CR2032. So here is an example. I will try to put a link in the description as well if you need those specific batteries. If you have children, some toys will also have this type of battery, so you may be familiar with it. So I will take now one of those batteries, but actually just for purpose, yeah, I will. So you will need again your screwdriver to. So on this side it will come out, and on this side you have to just push it out. Just slowly, do not break the mechanism. I will take it out like this and safely dispose the battery, of course. I will take the new one, so the CR2032, and the same motion, but backwards you slide it in. Actually, this was the most difficult part. When I now press the button, you will see the lights. It is working at full brightness again. So this is how you replace the battery. I will also take the steps backwards to show you how you can again assemble everything. It is as important, of course. So there is only one way to put it back inside of the enclosure. So there are 2 holes for these screws and 1 hole on the bottom. You take the plastic parts, and again here you will notice there is a small straight part. This one should go into the bottom. So again here you can only put it inside one way. I'm trying to find it. So you will see there is one other side which only fits one way, in order to not misalign it. I will take the screws again, put it inside of the 3 holes. And the third one, because actually this is not described on the website or the manual of Scoot and Ride. I could not find any information on how to replace the battery of the Scoot and Ride helmet. So this one is back on. You can hear it clicking. This is working again. And then same for the longer black screw, you put it inside and you tighten it. And the last step, of course, putting back the black pads. You will see that the light, it is working. Showing this one as well. Have safe travels with your kids.